Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back. I hope everybody is doing all good. Today, let's make this authentic and delicious Ghana salad recipe. One of my favorites, and trust me, you're going to make this salad recipe your number one favorite as well. Now, all you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. This is where I do share easy recipes. So if this is what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I've already cleaned my vegetables off camera. Now I'm going to soak this in salt solution for about 20 to 30 minutes approximately to kill out some of the germs. Okay, now let's soak it until it's nice and ready. If you don't want to use salt, kindly use vinegar and you are good to go. Now, whilst you're waiting patiently for the vegetables to get ready, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. Now that the vegetables are nice and well clean, let's go ahead and prep each one of it until it's nice and ready. If you want to split your lettuce, it totally depends on you, and if you want to cut it with knife, that's just fine. Okay, if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing salad recipe as well. Now, as you can see, I am splitting the lettuce as well with my hands, so either way works perfectly fine. As I said earlier on, you can use your knife and your hands as well. Now let's move on to the scallions. For the scallions or spring onions, make sure to remove any unwanted particles that you don't need from the scallions, and also make sure it is well clean. And once that is done, you can proceed to cut it according to the sizes that you want, just the way you see it on your screens right now. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. I do share easy cooking recipes here, so if this is what you're looking for, then don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And also do subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. Share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this inspiring and healthy recipe as well. Do follow me on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia because I do share easy cooking recipes over there as well, and trust me, you are definitely going to love it. Thank you so much for your lovely support.
Mega favela zamenamu na dena hobela sionamlo devielo.
Alright, so moving forward, I'm going to be preparing my cucumber as well. And for the cucumber, I'm going to deseed it because I don't want the salad to become very watery. Okay, if you really want to keep the seeds, that's just fine. Everything right here totally depends on how you want your salad. Okay, I've also peeled off part of the skin, which is totally optional as well. You can keep it if you want, but today I'm not just going to be enjoying the salad alone. I'm enjoying with a lot of people, so I need to do what they want, not what I want. Alright, so now let's cut it according to the size that I'm going for. Feel free to cut it any shapes that you want. Okay, and once I stand, I also go ahead and prep my tomatoes. For the tomatoes, I also remove the seeds as well because tomatoes is also very watery and I don't want the salad to be very watery. Okay, so now let's prep it, and once that is done, we will proceed to the main agenda. I mean, this is the fun part of this. Very easy. All you have to do right now is to arrange it just the way you want it. We don't have any systematic way of doing this, but you know, authentically, Ghana salad always starts with lettuce or cabbage. So automatically I'm going to start mine with that as well, but for the rest you can add it according to how you want it, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. As you can see, it's coming together very beautifully, colorful, and I love how everything is just turning out. I also go in with a little bit of the big beans and sardine, but I don't want to go in with salad cream or mayonnaise. If you want to go in with the mayonnaise or ketchup right now, feel free to add it and you are good to go. Okay. Alright, so now that the first layer is all done and set, let's rearrange the vegetables on it just the way you see it on your screens right now. This time around, I'm going to coat it or top it up with ketchup and mayonnaise to make the toppings very appetizing. You can omit any part of this process if you don't like it. Okay. Now the salad is looking super good and perfect. One more thing, I added in white pepper and black pepper, but unfortunately the camera couldn't capture it, so kindly notice. If you don't want it at all, you can omit it totally. So fam, our authentic Ghana salad is ready. Now all that is left right now is to serve this with any combo that you want. I served myself with this special Ghanaian assorted meat jollof rice recipe, which I have the recipe on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. You can also enjoy the special salad with bread or anything that you feel comfortable with it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.
Mega favela zamenamu, mega favela zamenamu.